Hi, Lee Cole here. Wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of our brand new software, Press Release Genie. What Press Release Genie does is it helps you write professional grade press releases, especially if you're not a writer. These would be press releases that you would use for clients, and you can also use these for yourself. Now, once you install Press Release Genie, you'll notice that there are two tabs over here, Companies and Company Form. Let's take a look at the Companies tab. The Companies tab is really where it's all happening with Press Release Genie. Number one, you have a complete list of all of your clients, their business information, and also all of the press releases that you have written for them and the date that you wrote them on. Now, one really cool thing about Press Release Genie is this is pre-programmed to help you create viral quality press releases, the kind that's going to just create a lot of buzz, a lot of sales, both for yourself and your client. And one way that we do this is through this button called Topic Ticklers. One of the big challenges in creating a really excellent press release is getting a topic that is really newsworthy, something very interesting. So we use the Topic Tickler. Here, I'll open this up here. We use the Topic Tickler to help you and your client think through exactly what the press release is going to be about. Once you've defined your topic, you're going to actually write the press release. And what we've done is we've divided the press release into what is the best format for an online press release, which is a 5-paragraph press release. Press Release Genie steps you through every single sentence that needs to be in this press release with very clear instructions of what needs to be happening in that sentence. And don't worry, you don't have to be Ernest Hemingway to do this. If you can string together a sentence, if you can write it probably about a 3rd or 4th grade level, you're very good to go. We talk about every single thing, all the parts in order that need to go in the press release. Stating the newsworthy event, third statement about adding in the human element, etc. Walking you through the entire thing, making this so incredibly easy that anyone even with zero experience can, with their first try, churn out a very excellent professional grade press release, something that you can sell to your clients for a lot of money and something that for your own business will help you enormously. Thank you so much for looking at this quick walkthrough video about Press Release Genie. As you can see, it's a highly focused piece of software, a super easy to use and intuitive piece of software, and it's a software that if you decide to get it and use it is going to make you a lot of money. I'm Lee Cole, and I'll talk to you soon.